Welcome to 5.1 Parallelograms, Part 1. We're going to talk about opposite sides and angles today. So first, key definition, a parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides being parallel. So this is what it looks like. Notice the AB is parallel to DC, and that AD is parallel to BC. So AD and BC are opposite sides because they're not touching whatsoever. Angle B and D are opposite angles, so therefore angle A and angle C are opposite angles. Line segments AD and BC again are opposite sides. Opposite sides are parallel. To abbreviate a parallelogram, we just use an image of a parallelogram. So if a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then opposite sides are congruent. So here, AB is congruent to CD, BC is congruent to AD. Alright, so let's see this done. So if LK is 21, then MJ is just 21. For example 2, we're solving for x this time. We know that opposite sides are congruent. That means their measures are equal. So we set x plus 6 equal to 15. Subtract 6, we get x equals 9. Our next theorem, if a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then opposite angles are congruent. So opposites are congruent. Here, angle A is congruent to angle C. Angle B is congruent to angle D. So if the angle B is 78, that means angle D up here is 78 degrees. In our final example, we're going to solve for x again. We have opposite angles. We set them equal. 9x plus 2 equals 74. Subtract 2 to get 72. Divide by 9, and x equals 8. All right, that is it for parallelograms part 1, opposite sides and angles, and they're congruent. Good luck on the practice.